Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we are going to look at the differences between the update function and the fixed update function in Unity. Regarding the order of execution, the fixed update function is called before the update function. Here in our script, we have two print messages in the fixed update and update functions. Let's enter play mode and see the output from the console window. The console output confirms that fixed update is the first of the two to be called. Take notice that the first fixed update call is run to completion before the update function is called. Another difference between them is that fixed update, as the name suggests, is called once per a fixed time interval, whereas update function is called once per frame update. Each device has its platform-specific frame update rate, and this rate is what the update function depends on. Let's confirm this from our script. You can see from the console output that the fixed update is being called every 0.02 seconds, but that of the update function has variable interval rates. Fine, let's do another demonstration. This time round, we'll use two different variables to keep count as the update and fixed update functions run. Then after a specified period of time, say after 1 second, we display their values to the console window. Truly, this output is confirming that fixed update function is called 50 times per second, whereas update function is called a different number of times each second, about an average of 4 times the frequency of the fixed update function on this device. By default in Unity, the fixed frame rate is 50 frames per second. That is, for every 0.02 seconds, a fixed update runs. To see where the fixed frame rate is set in Unity Editor, go to the Project Settings window, then click on Time. To see the frame rate of your game in Unity, click on Start from the Game View menu. What code then should be placed in the update function and which should be in the fixed update function? Well, the update function is mainly for tasks like keyboard and mouse input and other non-physics calculations. Why? Let's do a demonstration. We are going to print a message to the console window anytime a key is pressed down. In the first demonstration, we will place the code in the update function. Anytime I enter play mode and press any key on my keyboard or click the mouse button, I get an output. Now let's move that piece of code into the fixed update function. I am not getting a response for every key press, meaning there are input misses. How come? Let me use this chart to explain. We have here in our chart the awake function and the start function. After the start function has finished, the first FixedUpdate call will run to completion. After that, then the update functions will also follow. Now both the update and the FixedUpdate functions will be called from time to time. On this chart, FixedUpdate is running every 0.02 seconds, but the frame rate is 4 times as fast, so every 0.005 seconds. Let's say immediately after FixedUpdate and update functions run to completion, a key was pressed down. In the frame that a key was pressed, input.any key down will return true, but in subsequent frames it will be false. And so, by the time the FixedUpdate will be called to evaluate the result of the input.any key down property, it will be false, and therefore there will be no printout, a complete miss. There will only be a printout when the FixedUpdate is called in the very frame the key was pressed. What then is the point? Always place input events inside the update function. By the way, it wouldn't make any difference if the frame rate of the device is lower or the same as the FixedUpdate rate of 0.02 seconds. But since we do not know what device will be running our game, as a rule of thumb, always put input-related code in the update function. As for FixedUpdate, it's for physics-related events and computation. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you.